Everyone, welcome back to Keep Property Rwanda, and today we have amazing house that's on sale, and it's 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, dining room, living room, and also it's very beautiful in a nice neighborhood, which is Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyange to be precise, here in Kigali, Rwanda. And the house is only on 220 million Rwandan francs. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that this beautiful house is only on 220 million Rwandan francs, negotiable? Please, let me show you around. As I told you, we are in one of the most beautiful neighborhoods here in Kigali, Rwanda, which is Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyange to be precise. And this is one of the beautiful neighborhood, as I'm telling you. You can see from our gate of our building, you can see how beautiful it is. It has very beautiful garden, and the design on the gate is something else. Like, yo, this is something else. Have you seen somewhere like this before? Guys, you should buy this. You should buy this building because it's so beautiful, and it's in a very, very, very beautiful neighborhood. As you can see in front of me, there is some neighbors. You can see we have beautiful gates. It has different houses, apartments, and you can see you will have neighbors. So this is our gate. We are going to go inside. We are going to go in details. I'm going to show you what you are going to get in that 220 million Rwandan francs negotiable. Come with me. So today we are going to go inside from here. As you can see, we are in a parking area where it can fit around 2 cars or 3. And you can see we have beautiful gardens, small plants that makes your house more cozy and more vibrant. You can see from here another garden, small garden, that is going to the master bedroom. But we are going to go inside, going from here, because this is the balcony from, the living room. You can see how it looks like. So beautiful and spacious, because you can, put some seats here and you enjoy having your time with your friends or your guests. So come with me as we enter inside our beautiful house here in Kicukiro. You can see this is the living room, very spacious. Yes, it's very spacious. You can see from where the camera is and where I am. It's so spacious, and we have nice lighting here on the top of me. Very nice chandelier, and you can put the TV somewhere here or also there. And you can saw here we have the dining area, a very spacious one where it can fit 4 to 8 seats. And we also have a sink where you can wash your hands, a very nice and modern sink, as you can see. And we also have water. Yes, we have running water here. We have a mirror, and we have some cozy and nice plants on the side. So welcome to the kitchen. From here, we have a counter here where you can sit, serving some drinks, wines, whiskey, and all of that. And we also have nice countertops here, as you can see, very big and a nice one. We also have plenty of cabinets where you can store different things, and they are locked. You can lock them like this one, and some other ones that are locked. You can see here is where you can put your stove, or where you cook from. And we also have where you can put your fridge, and somewhere you can put some drinks, or some designs, or you can decorate something from there. You can see it's so spacious. And also here we have a sink where you can wash your dishes, very big one. And we have running water too. You see, this is how the kitchen is. So we are going to go in the bedroom. We are going to see how the bedrooms are. And, I'm sure you are going to enjoy this one. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video if you're watching this one, and leave a positive comment to know what you think about this beautiful house. So from this side, we have the guest bedrooms, and it's quite a big one. Let's start from the bedroom. As you can see, this is the bedroom. It's quite big, and the good thing about this house is that it comes with wardrobes. Every room here has its own wardrobe. Can you imagine? It's so beautiful. Like, and the wardrobes are very big. They are very spacious because we have where you can hang some clothes, or maybe you can put the folded clothes. You know, we have very big wardrobes in every room. So from there, from the bedroom of the guest, we have a bathroom, guest bathroom, as you can see. Yes, it's so beautiful. It has a black touch of decoration here. The furnitures, you can see it's so beautiful and cozy. Yes, you can enjoy here. Your guests can enjoy their time here in your house or your home. We are going to go inside other 3 bedrooms that are remaining. But first of all, before we go to the master bedroom, let's check out other bedrooms in this beautiful house. On this side, we have this other bedroom that is quite big and nice. And we also have, as I told you, we have wardrobes in every room in this house. Can you imagine? Yes. Yes. When you buy this house, it comes with wardrobes for every room. That means 4 wardrobes in this house because it's 4-bedroom house. So here we have another bedroom. As you can see, it's also big, where you can put the bed and have the view from outside. And we also have a wardrobe here. So now we are going to go to the bathroom that is shared between these 2 bedrooms. Yes, from those 2 bedrooms, they share this one bathroom on this side. As you can see, it's quite nice and spacious, and it also have a touch of black furnitures that make, you know, the bathroom more beautiful. And yeah, see. And here we have a sink, a very nice one, black one, and very nice. A mirror where, you know, you can beautify yourself in this bathroom. So from here, this shared bathroom, we are going to go to the master bedroom, the biggest room of the house. Welcome to the master bedroom. So on this side, we have the bathroom. That's where we are going to start from. As you can see, it's quite spacious bathroom, and it also have a fixed shower, as you can see, and also a handheld shower head. You can see it's so nice and so beautiful. This is the seat where you can release yourself, and we also have where at the sink where you can wash your hand, brush your teeth, and we also have a nice mirror on the side. And the good thing is we have cabinets here where you can, you know, put your toiletries and all of that. So from this side, we are going to go to the bedroom. Come with me. Welcome inside our master bedroom, a quite big one. As you can see, it can fit king size bed. Can you see this? It's so beautiful and very spacious. And you can see here we have very, very, very big wardrobe with plenty of space where you can store your clothes, hang your clothes, and all of that. You can see it's quite big and very spacious. This one comes with the house, and we also have a balcony outside from here. So here we are in the balcony of the master bedroom. As you can see, it's quite big. You can put some seats here and you will enjoy your time as you are, you know, relaxing in your house. And you can see we also have nice walls and very artistic walls. As you can see, very nice one. This one is my first time seeing, you know, a place like this. So it's so nice, guys. Please don't let this house, you know, make sure you buy this house because it's so beautiful, and I feel like it's worthy 220 million Rwandan francs. So from here, we also Yeah, we are going to the back side of our house, as you can see, and it looks so nice and very clean. Can you imagine if you are living here, you will have a very clean and well-maintained place. So from here we have the bathroom and toilet for housekeeper. As you can see, this is where a housekeeper can stay. And we also have outside kitchen. We have where you can wash the clothes or wash the dishes outside if you want to spend some time outside in your house. You can see we also have here, you can put some seats here, you can enjoy your time here with your kid or your family members. And yeah, we also have where you can hang your clothes on this side, which is quite big. Yes, here is where you can dry your clothes when you wash them. And yeah, it's quite nice and big. Can you see how designs are? See, like the gate is so beautiful. Like, I can't get over this. Like, look at this one. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Yeah. As I told you, this house is 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, dining room, living room, parking, and also some outside room. And it's only on 220 million Rwandan francs, negotiable. And it's here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyanje to be precise, and in Kigali, of course, Rwanda. So if you are interested, let us know by, checking out the information in the description box. Reach out to us and also leave a comment and let us know what we can help you with. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for being interested in this house because it's on sale. And yeah, you can use it to invest or to live here. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another video. Bye.